Laying low, no place to go.
Like a baby. Look, there are drugs in the house for stomach pain, but you can't take it without eating food. Better get up, go to the kitchen and cook some.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Talk with Presh. It's your favorite girl again, and today I bring you another beautiful movie called My Cinderella Story, and you can watch this movie at Nollyverse Full Movies. Okay, now before I give a review on this movie, I would first of all say it is highly deceptive of whoever did the banner of this story to put Maurice Sam in this movie when he was not actually in the movie. It's a highly deceptive thing to do. Nollyverse, I watched this movie on your page, so I think it's highly deceptive. So I think you should take it down. Because this movie is actually a very beautiful story with beautiful actors that acted it. So the deceptive nature is not really. This movie stars Sandra Okunzuwa, IK from Big Brother Niger, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, this My Cinderella story, it's a really beautiful story with a spice of Nigerian acting into that Cinderella story that we all know and enjoy. So please head over to the channel, watch My Cinderella story, come back to the comment section and tell me what you think about this movie. Okay, and this is the point where I also tell you guys to please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is totally and will always be free. A big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing so far. Thank you for coming along with me to this journey. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Bye. Enjoy the movie.